Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can back up your WordPress website through UpdraftPlus to your Google Drive. Not only to Updraft Vault, but to your Google Drive. So for it to appear here, you will need to go ahead to your WordPress and click on your Updraft and Settings. Once you are on Updraft Backups, you first will need to connect your Google account. So you go to settings. Now the files backup is for me is manual. I'm just gonna leave it like so. Now for you it will be on Updraft Vault. You want to choose Google Drive and then sign in with Google. So you want to go ahead and sign in. I already signed in with my email. You're going to sign in and then there will be a button complete sign up. So you want to click on that and then you want to go ahead and once you choose Google Drive, you're going to save the changes. And now let's go back to backup and restore. Click backup now, and now we will need to wait a little bit for the backup. After it will be backed up, it should appear on our Google Drive. So let's wait a little bit. Now here it is, the backup has finished running. And now once we are here to our Google Drive, as you can see, here is our backup and it's now uploaded here. So automatically, so if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.